Want to see some of the world's biggest machines that will impress you? I bet you do! Here's a selection of 10 mechanical monsters from across the globe. Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider is the biggest machine man has ever built to date. It was built to study the tiniest of things, subatomic particles. Thousands of magnets of different varieties and sizes are used to direct the beams around the accelerator. These include 1,232 dipole magnets, 15 meters in length, which bend the beams, and 392 quadruple magnets, each 5 to 7 meters long, which focus the beams just prior to collision. Another type of magnet is used to squeeze the particles closer together to increase the chances of collisions. The particles are so tiny that the task of making them collide is akin to firing two needles 10 kilometers apart with such precision that they meet halfway. This particle accelerator is 27 kilometers in circumference and is buried 175 meters under the ground near Geneva, Switzerland. There are plans for a newer, upgraded one that will be 3 times bigger. Giant Bucket Wheel Excavator. The Bagger 293 is a giant bucket wheel excavator built in Germany in 1995. It requires a crew of 5 to operate and can move over 8.5 million cubic feet of earth per day. To put that in perspective, that's the equivalent of digging a hole the length of a football field and over 80 feet deep in a day. For excavation, the Bagger 293 uses a large 70-foot rotating wheel at the end of a long arm. This wheel has a series of buckets attached, and as the wheel rotates, the buckets pick up the earth and dump it onto a conveyor belt. The conveyor belts will transport the earth to other vehicles for removal to the dumping site.